Jarring Science for Kids. I'm your host, Brenda, and today we're going to be doing an experiment about sugar crystals. We're going to be making sugar crystals and learning about the different types of crystals that exist in the world. Here's what you need. You're going to need some sugar, you're going to need some craft sticks or string, some food coloring, you need some jars, and you need some clothespins. All right, let's get started. Before you do this experiment, dip your craft sticks or string into water and then coat them with regular grains of sugar. These will be your seed crystals that will help the crystals form around the stick versus on the bottom of your jar. The first thing you're gonna do is dissolve your sugar into your water. You will use 4 cups of water and 8 cups of sugar. Boil the water on the stove over your hot plate and then add the sugar 1 cup at a time until all of it is added and dissolved. At the end, it's going to take quite some time for the sugar to dissolve, but that's okay. That's what you want to see. Once your sugar mixture has dissolved, take it off the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes, then pour it into individual jars. If you want to dye your sugar crystals, do so at this stage. Place a clothespin on top of each of your stick or string so that it suspends from the jar but doesn't touch the bottom or the sides. Set your jars in a dry location that's out of the way and let your crystals grow for about 24 hours. After 24 hours, you're going to want to remove the crystals from the jar to make sure they're not sticking anywhere and then put them back in the solution. Let the crystals grow for another 2 or 3 days and then come back to see what they look like. We decided to make colors of the rainbow. So we have red, and we have yellow, we have green, blue, and purple. This is after we let the crystals drip dry so that we could see what they look like up close. Even though our crystals were all made with the same sugar solution, the surface of the crystal looks different depending on what jar they were made in. Sugar crystals have an organic looking crystal pattern that is very similar to other molecular crystals like snowflakes and frost. You'll find the science behind this experiment and a 16-page NGSS Online worksheet lesson plan in the Jarring Science Club. Go to visit jarringscience.com to start your membership for just $5. Can't wait to see you in there.